Hello children, my name is Mrs. Deepa Tant and we have already learned three forms of alphabets. Capital A, small a, cursive capital A, and we will learn today cursive small alphabets today, and this is cursive small a. This is the fourth pattern of alphabet. Okay children, now this fourth form of alphabet will become very easy for you to grasp and use it as writing because you have already learned the cursive alphabets. Okay, so now you know how to move your hand freely and you are used to it. So let's learn it very easily and very fast. Now I'll show you how to write cursive small a within the 4 lines of the book or a slate. Cursive small a. To write cursive small a, you have to use only these 2 blue lines. You have to form the alphabet within these 2 blue lines. Let's see from where to start and how to form the alphabet. You have to start from second blue line. And the one point is that you have to again recall or think about it that you should not lift your hand till the letter is formed. Okay children? Now let's start from the second blue line. A little slanting way, go up, touch the first blue line and give a little curve. I am lifting my hand so that you will come to know how you will give a curve in this way. Okay, see I am repeating again. Second blue line, touch the first blue line and give a curve. Now from that, come back again from a curve, go up, stop for a second, draw a straight line and a small curve. This is the cursive small a. Once again I am writing and showing you. Second blue line, go up, come in this way, straight and a curve. Now, what the children will use to form this, because it's new and they are confused about that, they will use a shortcut to write a. They will write in this way and they will do a slanting line over there. But this is wrong. You should not lift your hand. So, you have to go in the pattern way. This is the right form. Only you have to see that you should not lift your hand till the alphabet is formed. See children, this is your handwriting supplement book in which you have already learned how to write cursive capital alphabets. Now in the same book you are having the patterns of cursive small alphabets. So let's see how to do. See this cursive small a. This dot is given to you so that from where to start. Okay, slowly go up. Again on the same line come down, form the alphabet and give a curve. Now let's trace over here. You have to just straight on these dotted lines, but you should not lift your hand. See in this way. Go up on that line, again come back and form the alphabet. In this same way you have to trace on it. Now let's see how to write within these 4 lines. 2 black lines are there, second black line, okay. Same pattern you use and same movements you have to use and form the alphabet. It's very easy. Now you are used to this cursive pattern, so it won't be very difficult for you. See, it's very easy. Okay children, now we will see how to form cursive small b. This is the cursive small b. Let's see how to write within the lines. Now, to form the cursive small b, you have to start from the second blue line. Please be attentive from where to start. Little slanting way, you have to go up till the red line, and a small curve you have to do in this way. I am lifting my hand so that you will be able to see it nicely. See, again I am doing little slanting way, go up, touch the red line, stop over there. Now from there come down, forming a straight line, touch the second blue line. Now you have to go up and give a curve in this way and touch the first blue line. See, again I am showing you. Second blue line, go up, touch the red line. Little turn, come down, forming a straight line. Now with a curve, go up, touch the first blue line and go out of the alphabet and touch the first blue line. Okay, isn't it easy for you? Now children, when you are writing this, just you have to keep in mind, when you are forming the alphabet over here, don't give a big turn and don't form this space. This will become wrong. It doesn't look nice when you write. Okay, you be careful that you have to just come out of the alphabet in this way. Just stop over there and come out of the alphabet. Don't form a circle in this way. Okay children? Now this is cursive small b. The instruction is there. From this point, slanting way, go up, a little curve, come down straight line and form the alphabet. Let's do the tracing work. Slanting way, go up, come down straight, touch the line and go out of the alphabet. Same movements you have to use. Just an important point that you should not lift your hand. That is the main point you should remember when you are writing cursive capital or small alphabets. It's very easy. Just go slowly so that you will not need to lift your hand. Let's see what will come after B. C. This is cursive small c. Now this C is very easy. You have to just give a starting curve and form the alphabet. Start from the second blue line. It's very easy. Little slanting way, go up, touch the first blue line. Now come back on the same line and form C. Again I am doing, go up, on the same way come down and form cursive small c. Now what will the children do? They will use the shortcut to form the C. They already know how to write C. Okay. So they will form the C in this way and they will just give a slanting line at the back of that. So it is formed. The C is formed, but this is the not right way to write or form the cursive C. With a single stroke you have to go up and then you write the alphabet. This is the right way and the right movement to form the cursive C. This is cursive small c. Instruction is given. Start from here. Slanting way, go up. Stop on the same line. Come back and form the alphabet. You have to do within this two black lines what is given to you in your book. Stop. Come back on the same line and form the alphabet. After the tracing word, let's see how to do within these two lines. Second line, start it. Go up, little slanting way, stop. On the same line, come back and touch the next line. It's very easy, children. You'll find it very easy and interesting to write the alphabets. Now, what will come after cursive C? Cursive small d. This is cursive small d. This is of the same way how you have written or how you have learned small d in nursery. Just a little change is there because you have to start with a curve and end with a curve. Okay children, now from where to start? Let's start from the second blue line. With a slight slanting way, go up, touch the first blue line. In this way, see, I am moving the hand so that you will come to know how much to give a curve to form the alphabet. Second blue line, go up, slanting way, stop. Now on that same line, come back with a curve, touch the first blue line. Now what you have to do? You have to draw a straight line, but you should not lift your hand. Reverse way, go up, touch the red line. Stop over there. On that same line, come down, touch the second blue line and give a curve. It's easy, but you have to not lift your hand. I'm doing it again. Second blue line, go up, give a curve. On the same line, come back, touch the second blue line. Now you have to form the straight line, but you have to not lift your hand. So go reverse way up, touch the red line. On the same line, come back and give a curve. Cursive small d. Now what children will use? Children use a magic because they already know how to write small d in this way. So what they will do? They will write d in this way and give a curve and they will draw a slanting line over here. The d is formed, but this is the wrong pattern. In a single stroke you have to do. Go this way, up and give a curve. This is the right way of writing cursive small d. Now this same thing we will try to write in our handwriting supplementary book. You have to trace and write it. This is the cursive small d. Start from the point over here. How you have formed A, in that way, same way go up. On the same line, come back. Now what you have to do? You have to make a straight line. So continuation, you have to go up, touch the line. On the same line, come back and give a turn. You should not lift your hand. Okay. Let's do the tracing work. Go up, come back on the same line. Now you have to touch the red line on the top. Stop over there. On the same line, come down and give a curve. Always do your tracing work very nicely so that it will be easy for you to write freely. Now let's do second line. Go up. See, you have formed this way. Same C का pattern हो गया. Okay. Now we have to go up. Touch the red line. Same line, come down and give a curve. You will enjoy writing the alphabets if you have done the tracing work very nicely. See how easily it is formed. Okay children, wasn't it easy for you to form the cursive alphabets A, B, C and D? Only you have to just keep in mind that you should not lift your hand till the letter is formed. So parents, please guide your child and help them and take a note that they should not lift the hand till the alphabet is formed. Thank you children.